Hi there! If you're watching this video, you should already have completed Smart Advisor's 4 levels of personalization. If not, please go back to the video library on GrainFox and watch Setting Up Smart Advisor in the Help section. In this video, we will help you understand the personalized recommendations on your Smart Advisor based on the farm information you entered, including your crop portfolio, cash flow goals, storage constraints, and risk profile. It's important to note that there are 2 types of sales recommendations generated by GrainFox. Generic sales recommendations are based on market data only and do not take into consideration your personal farm data, limitations, or goals. Smart Advisor uses your farm details combined with current and historical market data to deliver data-driven, tech-powered, personalized sales recommendations that are customized to your specific farm business's needs and goals. Using Farm Profile, Cash Flow Planner, and Risk Profile, you can enter the core farm details that will ultimately help you make better sales decisions. These include your crop portfolio mix, cash flow goals and needs, storage constraints, and risk tolerance. Now, let's focus on the individual components of Smart Advisor to gain a deeper understanding of how to interpret and analyze personalized recommendations. Let's start with our first section on the action plan. The action plan shows the personalized sales recommendations generated by Smart Advisor in an easy-to-understand table, allowing you to make quick, well-thought-out grain selling decisions in real time. Smart Advisor's personalized sales recommendations are based on a 2-month period and considers the data in Farm Profile, Cash Flow Planner, and the Risk Profile assessment. Scrolling down further, we've got Best Action. Best Action provides you with a forecast overview, allowing you to stay ahead of the market as much as possible and make key sales decisions faster. This section is specific to the commodity for the 2-month period based on your specific constraint. You can switch between commodities by selecting the one you'd like to review up here. Scrolling down further, we've got our overall sold. This is pulled from Farm Profile Inventory. It shows your action, sales, and what's remaining, so you can easily see what you should do next, sell versus hold, and how much. This is based on Smart Advisor's personalized recommendations, giving you more control over your grain selling decisions. Next up, we've got action influencing factors. The action influencing factors show what is influencing the market price index and signals for the current action plan. Next to the listed factor, you'll see its percentage of influence. Ones that are underlined will include links to news articles or publications. This feature allows you to see what's influencing Smart Advisor so you can gain a deeper understanding behind your personalized recommendations. Our analysis of influential factors is primarily grounded in time series data. We examine the relationships within the underlying time series data to pinpoint the most impactful factors when predicting specific time series outcomes. The factors displayed on GrainFox result from a meticulous long-term trend analysis. Regarding news articles, we curate and display recent ones related to influential factors to keep users informed. It's important to note that older articles with diminished relevance to recent trends are excluded. In cases where no recent articles are found, it doesn't render the factor irrelevant. It simply means there are no recent news articles available in our scanned outlets. Furthermore, any unrelated articles that may appear are flagged as not relevant and promptly removed from the platform. Now, if you click See More, you'll get our last 2 sections. We've got our 2-month price prediction table, which allows you to see the odds of a price over a 2-month period at a high and low range. Lastly, we've got our sales performance. This allows you to see how Smart Advisor's personalized recommendations stack up to the average actual prices realized over the past year. This concludes our tutorial on how to use and interpret Smart Advisor. If you're interested in exploring Smart Advisor further and would like a one-on-one demo, please feel free to reach out to our dedicated customer success team. Thanks so much.